Welcome to a tranquil home, nestled in simplicity and modern elegance. From afar, the house presents itself with confidence. Clean white walls and a vivid red roof standing gracefully in a lush green yard. The blooming flower garden, bordered by stone, adds a delicate warmth to the scene. As we glide around the house, each angle reveals a new harmony. From the front porch with white railings to the neat window lines at the side, every element is designed with intention. The back reveals a quiet space for reflection, while an aerial view ties everything together in perfect balance. This is not just a house, it's a breath of calm. As we step inside, the heart of the home opens up with a soft, welcoming glow. The living room is cozy and grounded. Light cream walls create a calming atmosphere, while the gray sofa invites you to rest. A wooden coffee table, indoor plants, and natural light pouring in through large windows give the space a soul. It's a room made not just for living, but for feeling. Peaceful, open, and warm. Just beyond the living room lies the kitchen, compact, clean, and complete. White cabinets line the walls, reflecting soft daylight. A wooden countertop adds natural warmth, and a small island provides a perfect center to gather or prepare. Everything is organized, modern, yet personal. This is a space where function and comfort meet, creating room for daily rituals and quiet mornings. Moving into the bedroom, serenity takes center stage. A single bed dressed in white linen rests by the window, catching the gentle morning light. A wooden headboard, bedside table, and a simple study desk make the room feel alive, yet uncluttered. It's a place to wind down, to dream, to find peace in the quiet simplicity of space. Next, the bathroom. Small in size, yet rich in atmosphere. White tiles create a clean canvas. The glass shower partition, soft ambient lighting, and a wall-mounted sink add a modern touch. A round mirror reflects subtle steam in the air. Towels neatly rolled on a shelf bring softness to the clean design. This space isn't just for washing, it's a sanctuary for stillness and renewal. Finally, we enter the dining room, a bright corner filled with life. A wooden table with 4 white chairs sits beneath a soft hanging light. Morning sun filters through the sheer curtain, painting gentle shadows on the floor. In the corner, a houseplant sways slightly with the breeze. It's a space where conversations begin, where meals become moments, and where every day starts with calm. In every corner of this home, there's a quiet story unfolding. A story of calm, of beauty, of everyday life designed with intention. This is more than just a house. It's a feeling, one you carry with you, even after the door closes. Thank you for joining us. We hope you found peace here.